just stuck in the consolidation phase within the 400 points from 24,000 to 24,350-400 levels. A breakout on either side will decide the clear trend of the market, but looking towards the technical setup, we believe that this bounce back rally is likely to be continued once the stocks manages to give the breakout of 24,400 levels on the higher side. About that level, 24,600 can be seen a resistance provided by the short-term moving averages. On the downside, it has a very good support at around 24,200. Any move below that level will witness some sort of a profit booking, which might take a Nifty towards the 24,140, 24,000 levels on the lower side. Coming towards the Bank Nifty for today intraday purpose, the resistance is placed at around 52,640. Beyond that, 52,900 levels can be tested on the higher side, whereas the support is placed at around 52,140 and 51,007. Stock specific, Welspun Living really looks good positive on the technical front. Yesterday we have initiated a buy call as well. This particular stock has shown very strong reversals from double bottom levels to from 145 levels. Now it's on the verge of the giving the breakout of 50 DMA. We believe that this rally is likely to be extended towards to at least on the high side towards to 165 to 170 levels. So one can take a long position by maintaining a strict stop loss of a 150. That's it from my end. I request derivative team to take a call for.
Yeah, hello. You can hear me, right?
Yes, Nita, we
Yeah,
can hear
yeah,
you.
yeah.
Proceed.
Thank you. So see on the derivative front, I'd only say that in the last few trading sessions, Nifty has come up from 24,000 odd levels up to 24,500. 24,500 is a resistance zone. However, that's a small resistance. Highest call base is at 25,000 level. So there is a likelihood of further buying coming for Nifty in the next few trading sessions. However, VIX has risen even after such a rise yesterday. The VIX has risen by about 2 percentage points around that 14.7 levels. Now, this is still nothing to worry about, but very likely we should look at the changes that are happening in the data. At this point, 24,300 would act as a strong support area on the futures, and for spot 24,100 is that level. So yeah, look out for the same. That should be a stop loss for longs. The PCR has also risen a bit. So yeah, the data is mixed at this point of time. So yeah, keep strict stop losses for trading purposes. From the stock specific front, banking as a whole did not move much yesterday, and we expect further buying to continue in banking space, especially in the private banks, like the likes of HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank can do well. Also, some reversal trades can happen in IndusInd and IDFC. So yeah, look out for the same. PSUs, we feel SBI can be the best bet in the banking space. Other than that, nothing much there. So yeah, look out for the same. Also, pharma sector we like a lot. So yeah, pharma at this point of time seems to be the best sector to invest in from this month's purpose, because the rollovers have been terrific, and DB's Lab is one stock which can do very well along with Granules and Biocon. So yeah, look out for the same. That's it from my side. Like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
Good morning. I would like to give a market review. On the US front, the Nasdaq and S&P 500 closed at records high on Monday as stocks kicked off the final month of a banner 2024 on a high note. Asia Pacific markets gained on Tuesday, taking cues from overnight moves on Wall Street. On the Indian stock market front, it ended in green on Monday, sidestepping disappointing Q2 GDP data as buying in heavyweight cement manufacturers and automakers lifted the indices. Thank you. I would like to take the commodity. I would like to. Uh, Harshal can take over the call. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So, in today's session, we might witness some buying in gold and silver on lower levels, as yesterday prices were holding on the support area at 76,200. So, buying around 76 500 450 is recommended with a stop loss of 76,200. On upside, 76 800 to 77,000 is the level where one can book profits. And in silver, one can initiate a buy around 90,200 with a stop loss of 89,500. 89,500 seems to be a good support area. So once, as long as it is holding on, one can buy on the upside target of 91,500. And in copper, prices are consolidating from 80 to 812 levels. So one can strictly buy with a stop loss of 800 and initiate a buy around 805, 804 levels. And if prices are sustaining above 812, then we might witness fresh buying. Else, one can book profit around 812. And in zinc, we are expecting prices to correct. So strictly sell with a stop loss of 288. On downside again, 283, 282 is the level where one can book profits. Whereas in crude oil, we are recommending to sell around 5830. If prices are sustaining below 5800, then one can also initiate a sell, maintaining a stop loss of 5870. On downside, 5700, 5650 is the level where one can book profits. And natural gas, we recommend to buy around 270 with a stop loss of 260. On upside, 280, 283 is the level where one should book profits. For trading purpose, one can also sell with a strict stop loss of 292. So sell around 285 with a strict stop loss of 292. That's it from us. Thank you very much.